Hello everyone, hope everyone's having a wonderful day. In today's video we're going to be reviewing and unboxing these OneOdio Studio DJ headphones, but actually we're not reviewing just one, we're actually reviewing two. I got one for myself as I'm preparing to stream for gaming. I got one for my wife as she wants to do some TikToks and some other things, some music things on her channel, but just thought we'd unbox both of these together and kind of show you what they look like. So starting with mine, here in the black ones, we got the cables. That's like it shows here on the box. There are a few different aux cables that you can use. Actually, it might be, let me see if it shows it. Yeah, right here, there is a 3.5 millimeter and then a 6.35 millimeter stereo jack. As you can see, you have the bigger stereo one, and then you have the normal aux cable, which is pretty nice. And then inside here, we have the black, feels like leather, but it's like that fake leather stuff. And inside the bag, we have the headphones. Yeah, and then mine, like I said, I chose the black ones just to kind of match my aesthetic. But it has that kind of a silver accent. It has kind of red threading as well, which is kind of a nice touch. And then besides, it has the right and the left for the ear placement. We have a port here, as well as the larger port right here. And then I do like, from what I feel, the cushions feel nice and soft. And then same with this, you have a nice cushion here. I do really like how it has these swivels for the earpieces to both fold down for storage and as well to be able to twist it to position it and for comfort and everything. I previously had some Beat headphones from Apple a few years ago now. And the one complaint that I had was the hinge, where it always felt like it was going to break, and eventually it did break, where the hinge piece where it snapped to fold broke, which was very unfortunate because I did enjoy those headphones. But yeah, so there's that. And then it does come with some paperwork. You have the instruction manual, and then a few other manuals in there. And then for the pink ones, same thing, you have a black bag with the red accent string. In terms of the cables, you have, both of them are the same pink color. One's the bigger, and then it does have the microphone one as well. The black ones as well have the little microphone, but so if you do want to use these on your phone or another device to talk with, you do have that microphone, which is very nice. Again, same instruction manuals. And then for these ones, it has very nice accents. It has a little bit of that silver accent, but more of that pink, which is my wife's color for her aesthetic. But very nice headphones. Both are, from what, at least the field test, great quality. We'll do another video later showcasing, once we have these plugged into the computer, and how the audio sounds like. But hopefully that kind of gives one an idea of both the solid black and then the pink color, what those look like, what the cables look like for either one, and for everything else. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.